So being in the movie business now, we have to do COVID tests constantly to make sure that we're okay for work and to be on set and be around other people. So what they do is they send us these home postal kits with COVID tests in them that we send back to the studio to make sure that we're fit for work. And we do this on the run up to when we'll be actually working on set. So I thought you might find it interesting to know what it's like to do one of these home COVID tests and what we have to do if you've never had one before. So when I open my mouth, I'm going to open it wide and you'll see that there is like a bell-like structure at the back. That's called the uvula, and on the side of that are arches that contain the tonsils. So you have to do 5 swabs on the right side, 5 brushes against the arches which contain the tonsils on the right, and then 5 on the left. And then you stick the same swab up your nose till you feel resistance, twiddle it 5 times, rotate it 5 times, and then do the other nostril. So that's what it takes. So here goes. I hate this bit because if you do it properly, you do gag when you stroke the tonsils. So. Oh God, horrible. Now it's got to go out my nose. Oh, makes your eyes water. Oh. Oh. God, poke my brain out. Okay, so then you put it in a vial which contains preservative liquid. Snip off the rest of the swab, put it in the plastic vial, screw on the lid, and then send that off to the studio. So hopefully I'm COVID free and I'll be on the movie soon.